So now I'm driving the hot rod. I'm having a real hard engine problems with the carburetor is that it don't hold. Once you turn the choke off, it shuts off the engine. Next problem is that the speedometer. I'm cruising for about like 5 kilometers an hour, 3 miles an hour I think, but I have 30 kilometers an hour here. About 15 or 20, I don't know, yeah, 20 I think, miles per hour. The heat works. I don't have a battery, so that's why I'm not connecting the lights and the voltmeter out here. And if I give a little bit of gas, I'm already 60 and it stops there, of course. So I still have to find an idea how to play a little bit with the speedometer gearing. Anyway, I'm driving drives pretty cool, you know. You can't see any shit from the mirrors. Yeah, of course, useless. I have second gear right now. But imagine you're here right now in a car show and the cars are parking left and right and you're cruising around. I think the speed is pretty nice and you're 35 here almost. So you're not bad with that. I love that. Here I am in the mirrors. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah. Just ran out of fuel. I refueled it and it didn't want to start again, but now it holds somehow and I'm driving it. No clutch, so I'm running just on the gas pedal. Clutch. A little bit if you want to run faster on the second gear. I'm gonna try to run into the garage right now. Let's put it first gear. Now it's neutral here. This is my neighbor's rubbish right here. He's a very helpful guy. He helps me with a lot of things. So even a solution for the engine and the wheels and the hubs and everything that I already needed. Oh yeah. Let's put the reverse. Yeah. Oh yeah, another issue I forgot to mention is that, let's shut it off. I have to find somehow to mount this one permanently. Another issue that I had is that when I run a little bit faster through those holes everywhere around the ground out here, the brakes fluid, or how to call it, runs a little bit out here. I don't know if you can see the rest of it. I just tried it. Yeah, so I have to check out the closing, how to call it here, thing out there, the sealing. Yeah. But anyway, it's everything okay. Here are my new lights. They look pretty small. They're supposed to be 160. I didn't measure them, but beside the 180 that I had out there, they look pretty small, but I don't care about that. They are bigger than the yellow ones I had on the beginning, and they are how to call it, yeah, finish with all the rings that mount them together and stuff, so I don't have to work on all that. So that's it for the moment, and yeah, I wanted just to take you for a little ride. And you saw the speedometer working right now. It's maybe an idea for George from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. I hope you fix the goofy cars. This is how I made that. This is the speedometer gear. I mounted it to the frame, and this is where my engine drives the drive shaft to the rear, and it drives the speedometer. Yeah, it sucks because for such a small speedometer, bicycle speedometer till 60 kilometers an hour, yeah, it runs out of numbers very fast. How many kilometers I drove today? I don't think even one. It looks like 7 kilometers, but no way, no way, something is wrong. Yeah, thanks for watching, and let's see how far can I go this weekend about that. Today is Saturday. Yesterday I tried only starting the engine, and it took all my power and muscles way out of me. You know, and today I'm gonna try to do something else. I don't care anymore about the engine right now. If something have to be fixed, new carburetor, maybe I go for that for those sport carburetors. You out there, guys from America, you have that Go Power Sport or something. They finance even go-kart builders and stuff. With many of those parts here in Germany, we don't have that. I think if I can order them from America, here you can't find any parts for those engines. They are actually made for lawn mowers and stuff, you know, so they are not so, yeah. But maybe I can find another solution for another carburetor that works better and stuff. I have already two newer Black Sporkas here. They are with 3 things there inside. I don't know why. Maybe they light better, I don't know. Yeah, so I have one of them inside. I took off the older one, the original one that came with the engine. Look how it looks like. I cleaned it already many times, burned it, but it looks like shit, you know. So, yeah, pretty interested in this weekend what I'm going to do about it. Thanks for watching again, and have a nice day and nice weekend and nice time. Yeah.